Hi, my name is Lamb, and this is 98 Real Estate VA. For any newcomers, thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment below, all that good stuff. Give me your thoughts. These are my personal stock picks, and no way am I endorsing any of these stocks. No way am I telling you to go out and pick these stocks. If you are new to investing, please do your thorough research. You can lose a lot of money. You can lose all of your money. All investments are risky. Today I'm talking about individual stocks. Individual stocks are even riskier, especially in the market we are in now. The markets are very volatile right now because of what's going on worldwide. So please do your research. So my stock pick for March 9th, 2020 is Norwegian Airlines. The ticker mark is NCLH. So that is my stock pick. I just put a limit order in at $29. So that means Monday morning I will pay no more than $29 for this stock. The reason I picked Norwegian Cruise Lines is because is a great buying opportunity right now. Normally, earlier this year, their stocks were teeter-tottering somewhere between $55 and $60. Right now, they're selling for $27. So that's we use round numbers from 60 to 30. It's at a 50% discount. So everybody loves a discount. These are just stocks on discount. So I figure if I can get it for $30, and after this worldwide issue, after it passes, then I can sell it and I can double my money. So it's normally 60. I bought it at 30. It goes back up to 60. I'm making $30 per stock I buy. If I buy $1,200 worth of stocks, that is 40 stocks at $30 a piece. 3 times 4, that's $1,200 profit. I'll double my money, and that could happen in a fairly short amount of time. Norwegian Cruise Lines is down substantially right now, as is Carnival and Royal Caribbean. I picked Norwegian Cruise Lines because I think right now it is down the most. So that's why I picked Norwegian Cruise Lines. But the upside is just so up right now. Like I said, it's a 50% discount. It's like getting a sale. So if you do your research, there's a lot of stock picks that are very volatile right now. A lot of stuff that's going up and down. So this is like where millionaires are made in the stock market right now. Because of the virus, people are saying that this is a correction. They're saying that this event isn't as bad as people say it is. People are just using this as an excuse to sell off in an overpriced market that may or may not be true. It's good to know that type of stuff because you do want to know why stuff's selling for so low, and if stocks are falling right now, will it continue to fall? Because not only are these stocks going down, we're seeing a downturn in the overall market as well. So do your research and you'll see that stuff. So my thinking was, like I said, let's say I put $1,200 in at $30 a piece. If and when it goes back up to $60, I will double my money. Now, I stand to make $1,200. Let's say that the stock does not go up. Let's say that the stock continues to go down, and instead of $30 over the next 6 months, because issues persist with this virus, let's say over the next 6 months or the next year, whatever it is, let's say that the stock goes down from $30 to $15. That's worst case scenario. $30 to $10. If it goes down to $30 for $15, my money will be cut in half. So no longer will my stocks be worth $1,200. They'll be worth $600. Now, the thing about this stock is, because it is a cruise line, it is slated to go back up. Before this event had happened, it was in the news that profits for cruises were going to be going up as baby boomers retired. They will be going on more cruises. Cruise lines will be making more revenue. Well, the idea is that it will go back up to $60. If it does not and it continues to go down, I can afford to wait out the market and I can hold it long enough to break even, which I wouldn't sell at a break even point, I would continue to wait until it is therefore profitable, even if I had to hold this stock for 2, 3, 4, 5 years in order for it to bounce back. So that is my game plan. You only lose money if you sell. So if you buy at a midpoint in the market and then you sell at a low point, you have lost money because the stock you have sold at $15, somebody has bought at $15, and then if it goes up from there, they made money, but you endured all the stress, you endured all the pressure, and you went through the ride. So you don't want to have that happen to you. Okay, so worst case scenario I have read in the news is that this affects prices for the next 6 to 9 months. 6 months being that the virus will be in mainstream media. Another 3 months of people just being scared to travel and it affecting the cruise lines' profits. So that's worst case scenario that I'm hearing from the experts. Best case scenario is that this thing just blows over in the next 2 months and prices are back to normal. So right now, if my order goes through on Monday, 2 months from now, I would have doubled my money in just 2 months. It's stocks out there where you can make a lot more money. I seen a stock, my girlfriend, she just showed me, it was up like 667% in 7 days. That's crazy. That, we did the math off of $30,000. If you bought at the bottom, it went from $325 to like $30. So you could have made $170,000 on $30,000 worth of stocks. So it's always good to have extra cash for grandmother's rainy day. So it's always good to have that emergency money set aside, money that you can gamble with, money that you can lose, because that's essentially what this is. This is a more of a calculated, strategic type of gambling type. It's like betting on a chess game, kind of. So this is a strategic move. So you do want to have that extra cash laying around. So when stuff does happen like this, these black swan events, you can make money during these investments and not just kind of not be butthurt, so to say, not to be butthurt because the economy is ruined and everybody's getting sick and there's people out here profiting from this disease. People are making money from this disease, not just people selling money, the people trading stocks. Worst case scenario that this disease will put Norwegian Cruise Line out of business, which I do not think is likely. Norwegian Cruise Line has survived other diseases. So the worst case scenario puts it out of business. I lose my $1,200, and that would suck. Who wants to lose $1,200? I do not find that likely to happen. This is what we call a panic sell-off during a black swan event. Everybody, they hold their stocks, and I guess they think the world is going to end, so they cash in their stocks. They trade their stocks for cash. They convert it to bonds or they convert it to gold because they just think the market will take too long to recover or markets won't be as profitable, or they literally think the world is going to end, and if the world is going to end, that money isn't going to buy you much anyway, so you might as well just leave it in the stock market and see what happens. So that is my stock pick for Monday, March 9th, 2020. If anybody else is investing stocks right now or, buying and selling during these short trades during this correction, during this coronavirus, please comment below. Let me know what your stock picks are. Let me know what you think of this video and think of my logic and reasoning behind buying this stock. Like I said, at the upside, I double my money. At the very worst, I lose half of my money. So, and even then, I still don't have to sell. I can just hold. So, with that being said, that's my stock pick for Monday, March 8th, 2020. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.